Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has now tweeted and said that he is deeply saddened at the loss of lives that has taken place in Ladakh while getting the tank across a river in Ladakh. He has tweeted that he will never forget the exemplary services of the gallant soldiers to the nation. He has also said that the nation stands with them during this hour of grief. My colleague Ajay with us on the broadcast to give us more details on this. Ajay, now, of course, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has, issued a statement. He's, of course, condoled this situation. If you could take our viewers to the statements that he's issued. Ajay, if you can hear me, we're of course talking about the issue, the statement that's just been issued by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. He is, of course, condolences have poured in, and he's also said that their exemplary services will never be forgotten. If you could take our viewers through the statements that he has issued and give our viewers the details that are coming in from this incident.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh condoled, the loss of life of 5 of our brave soldiers, those who lost their life during an exercise in Ladakh. And he tweeted and said that deeply saddened at the loss of lives of 5 of our brave Indian soldiers in an unfortunate accident while getting the tank across a river in the Ladakh. And my heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. The nation stands firm with them during this hour of grief, and the way basically this incident has happened, that has that has shaken the life of the families and definitely the soldiers, those who were basically a part of this exercise. It was late midnight when at around 1:30 this exercise was going on, and this tank was basically crossing a river stream during that time, and an unfortunate incident has happened, and due to flash flood in that river, that tank was washed away, and 5 of our brave Jawan, those who were on board in the tank doing exercise, they lost their life. Immediately our rescue operation was started, but because of the dark and the challenging situation over there because of the flood, till the time these Jawans were rescued and evacuated from that location, they lost their life.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.